After dealing with Minecraft Froglight Blocklight texture bug myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. This video provides a complete guide to solve the Minecraft Froglight light texture bug fix, ensuring your game visuals are restored. First, checking your game files, make sure no important parts of Minecraft are broken or missing. Corrupted files stop textures showing correctly. Repairing gives the game a fresh start. Next, updating your graphics drivers and the game itself is crucial. Old drivers might not draw new textures, and outdated game versions often have visual issues. Keeping everything current ensures proper display. Then, adjusting your in-game video settings can often fix the problem. Specific graphics options, like light handling, might conflict with the Froglight texture. Changing them can reveal the intended glow. Finally, consider your resource packs and shaders. These change game visuals and can interfere with original textures like the Froglight's light. Disabling them helps pinpoint if they are causing the glitch.